nice shot of the truck there. But what we're really focusing on today is the lakehouse project in Perkasie, Pennsylvania, overlooking Lake Nakamixon. This is a green energy retrofit, full home renovation we've been working on throughout the summer. Up on the second story, you can see the packers that create our air gap behind our hardy board and batten siding and the burrell trim. Property's a little overgrown right now, but the landscaping will be cleaned up soon. As we move around to the east wall, where siding is already complete, we'll see the projection created by 2 inches of rigid foam, 3/4 inch furring strips, and over 1 inch of board and batten material. To avoid extending the roof line by 4 inches around the entire house, we packed out the rake boards at the top of the wall and wrapped our trim coil up and under the drip edge. This projection also required making extension jambs for all windows and doors. Although this detail is primarily to accommodate the increased insulation thickness, it also provides better protection for the windows and doors from weather. And the added wall depth, I think, looks great from the inside. Here's a closer look at the air barrier system. We used the Panel Shield product by Vapro Shield. So this product acts like a breathable raincoat for the house. It keeps out wind and liquid water, but it still allows water vapor trapped inside the house walls to escape. That means the structure stays dry, resists mold, and maintains its insulation performance over time. It's wrapped into the window framing, then covered with a Vapro Liquiflash membrane. Once the windows are installed, the flanges are sealed with zip tape, and this delivers a very tight, high-performance window installation. I can't wait to show you the finished product of this observation deck off the primary suite. Keep an eye out for that.